Hey, Queen, how are you? I'm Rene Michelle Floyd, founder of Beautiful Hair Products and Beautiful Locks Club. And for years, we've been told to fear moisture. But the truth, your sister locks are not fragile, they're divine. Inside Beautiful Locks Club, we restore your hair, your faith, and your confidence, one drop at a time. Every week, I go live in the Queen's Circle where we talk about Sister Locks care, mindset shifts, and spiritual renewal. So, if you're ready to connect authentically with other women like yourself, grow softer, grow stronger, and more radiant, inside and out, then click join. We would love to connect with you and start your transformation today. Beautiful Locks Club, nourishing your sister locks, one drop at a time.